Okay, sorry, I just had a trade. I'm actually with my daughter, so okay, dollar. Sorry, let me just do this recording and then we'll continue. All right, this is one trade, 10%, so that's $32. The trade was done with $300. So I'm going to wait for another signal, and I'll also be trading another one. So I'm going to be pausing. Once I receive the signal, I will likely dollar. Wait, don't touch it. I said don't touch, just wait. Dollar, stop distracting me now. I had to wait for a pullback now. You made me miss the signal. Oh, my daughter made me miss the signal. She's saying, Alpha. How's your body now? Okay, I may have to pause. I thought the signal was going to ring. It didn't ring, so I'll pause. Okay, I've made my entry. And that's the second trade there. You can see my profit is now 436. So let me show you the trade so that you get to see one half tick. That's half tick. It's quite important. That's $60. Okay, that's another signal. I hear that sound very loud and clear. So I've made another entry. That's the third trade. So let's see if I can have 3 trades. Okay, you can see my balance is now 468. So altogether I've made about $90, right? I can still make one more, and that will be my last trade. Okay, this is my last trade for today, and I just want to show you the power in the TMNmedia Signal service. Okay, now you see my balance is now 500, right? My balance is now 500. I grew the account from like 3 something. Now I have $500. That means I made 32 times 4. That's about $120. $120. How many minutes? How many seconds? Now I need to show you. For some of you who may not understand, who may be wondering, what is he trading? Where is he getting the signal from? It's a signal service I also provide for my students. Dollar, wait now. My daughter does not want. She has not been. She's trying to grow teeth. Okay, you can see some of the signals here, right? This is for 100x, C645. No, these are old signals. No, these are old signals. Okay, I've actually changed this one. Let me show you from my main phone. Wait now, dollar. Wait. I was trading with the one on the laptop, so it may not tell you a bit, but I'll show you from another phone. The 5 minute. Okay, those are the signals. The dollar. Wait, don't touch yet now. Okay, so you can see them. Those are the signals, right? These are the signals people also receive. You get to subscribe to it if you're my student, and you'll receive it, and you will be able to trade with so much ease. You're not going to be okay. I have my daughter around here with me right now, and I'm still able to trade. If it were before, oh boy, I will send her away until I'm done. That's when we'll be able to do all that. So guys, does it work? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. This is $120 today. Everybody can do this. You just need to learn, practice, and do it the right way, and you are good. God bless you. I'll see you in another video. I like to eat apple and bananas. Yeah, dollar. I like to.